Are you a do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or a welding hobbyist looking for a creative ways to repurpose scrap metal? Welding is an excellent way to breathe a new life into a discarded metal, and with a little imagination, you can create a functional and decorative pieces that showcase your skills. When working with scrap metal, the possibilities are endless. You can create stunning sculpture, add a touch of personality to your home and the garden. Experiment with the different welding techniques to continue a metal piece and create a complex shapes. From abstract design to the intricate, beautiful fingers, your artistic side can shine through your creation. Transforming scrap metal into a functional furniture pieces is another great way to showcase your creativity. You can design tables, chairs, and shelves that not only serve purpose but also reduce waste and the carbon footprints. Consider adding a perspective coat to the enhance the appearance of your creation. Lighting fixtures are also a great way to repurpose scrap metal. You can design unique pendant lamp or the table lamp that add a touch of industrial chic to any room. Use metal pipes, sheets, and the other materials to create one-of-a-kind lighting pieces. In the garden, scrap metal can be used to create beautiful planters that showcase your favorite plants or the herbs. You can design planter in various shapes and the sizes, from simple rectangular design to the intricate, beautiful geometric pattern. Metal wall art is another way to add a touch of beauty and personality to your space. You can create geometric pattern, abstract design, or the welded metal letters shapes to create a unique piece of art. This is a great way to express your creativity and add a personal touch to your home and your office. Outdoor decorations like windshields or mobiles hangers can also be created by using scrap metal. These pieces can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your garden and the patio. When working with scrap metal, you can also create functional items like coat rack, hooks, and the storage units. These pieces can be both practical and decorative, adding a touch of industrial charm to your home and the offices. Custom metal signs are another great way to repurpose scrap metal. You can weld metal letters, shapes, or design to create a unique and eye-catchy signs. This is a great way to add a personal touch to your home or your business. Finally, scrap metal can be used to create beautiful garden gates that add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your outdoor spaces. You can design gates in a various styles from modern to sleek to ornate the decorative. With these things and ideas, you will be on your way to creating functional and decorative pieces that showcase your creativity and skill. So, why wait? Get started your next scrap metal welding project today. Scrap metal welding is an art form that allows you to breathe a new life into a discarded metal. With a little creativity and some welding skill, you can create stunning pieces that showcase your personality and style. One of the most exciting aspects of scrap metal welding is the freedom of experiment with different materials and techniques. You can work with various type of metal from rusty old pipe to the shiny new sheet and use different welding process to achieve the unique effects. When working with scrap metal, it's essential to have a vision that you want to create. Take inspiration from nature, from internet, architecture, and your imagination run wild. You can create intricate sculpture, functional furniture, or decorative pieces that add a touch of personality and sophistication to your home and your garden. As you work with scrap metal, you will develop your skills and technique, and your creation will become more sophisticated. You will learn to appreciate the beauty of imperfection and value of repurposing material that would otherwise be discarded. Whether you are a seasoned welder or just starting out, scrap metal welding offers endless possibility for creative expressions. So why not give it a try? Gather your material, fire up your weld, and let your imagination shine. Always follow the safety guidelines when working with scrap metal and the welding equipment. Experiment with the different welding techniques and the material to achieve unique effect. Don't be afraid to make a new thing, take a risk. It's all a part of creative process. Consider repurposing the old material like wood glass and the old texture. Entrust your project. Take inspiration from nature art, architecture, and let your imagination run wild. Reduce waste and the carbon footprint and promote sustainability. Encourage creative and self experience. Develop problem solving skills and hand eye coordination. Provide an outlet to stress and the anxiety. Create a unique functional pieces that showcase your personality and style. With scrap metal welding, the possibilities are endless, so why not you get started today? See what an amazing creature you can come up with. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you so much.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be great.